Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
So I was so excited on the day of lowering that I have reached at the boat even before sunrise, and I was just checking the last minute everything, if everything is all right all around. Mainly I was checking, I just want to check my rudder. I went up and gave the wheel hard to starboard, the full starboard, and I was just checking if my rudder is responding well and giving a full 15 degrees. So it was all about that much. So looks everything fine. So finally everything was in place. The anode has been fixed and masking tape from the boot topping has been removed and rudder has been checked thoroughly. So I was all good down here. Now it was time to go inside and do some cleaning, ship shape, and prepare the boat for loading. The time is coming near and I'm getting excited. Wow, let's see. 8 o'clock already. So I have maximum like 30 minutes to clean it up. Okay, let's see. My boat is all ready to go in the water. The guy is cleaning the propeller at the last moment. I just need to disconnect electricity and water line. And my boat was first, but I request to be second because I just want to see the procedure. The first boat goes in. So there's the first boat which is going in. So let me check how they go. My boat would be going the same way, heading out like this one. I'm just gonna check how they do it. So now the moment the lift has already come to lift my boat and boat is ready. I've checked everything.
Are you going to paint where is the contact of?
Yeah, I'll do. Boat is already lifted.
Yeah, already.
Yeah.
It's already floating.
These places I'm gonna paint. I'm literally shivering. The board is finally moving. Any tick, click, and my heart is stopped. Boat was lifted, but as it was low tide, so they decided to wait till the time tide come in. And later, when they started moving again, apparently the tide started flooding in, and we were moving towards the place where they're gonna lower it. And finally, hard work of 2 months was going to pay. My berth is D22. That port, that black box, just next to it. Once again, after coming here, they stopped. They're still waiting for the tide to come in. Looks like a spring tide. And then my family arrived. This was the first time my family was seeing this boat, and my daughter was very surprised seeing the boat, the name of the boat resembling her name. And then I came in the boat, and they started lowering. I was very nervous and was continuous praying, chanting. It was not the first time I'm in a boat which is being lowered in the water. In fact, I've been on many boats, countless time. I've been on the boats being lowered in the sea. In fact, in very rough sea. But this was different, very different. This boat, I have given everything to this boat now. So, continuous praying and being lowered in the water. So, finally, we are here in Marina. Uh, Unfortunately, my gearbox could not engage after lowering, and we have to tow my boat here using a small dinghy. Anyway, we are here now, and boat is secured, and I'm just taking a tour to the forward, checking if everything is all right, everything is tied nicely or not. And it's a very nice feeling being in the marina on the water. Look around. It looks beautiful around here. Fenders are already out, and yeah, the boat has been tied in a very efficient way. Head is having two ropes, one this side and one that side. And then there was a big boat here on the next part, and which was as big as this one, so hardly uh, yeah, 2.5 feet distance between those two. And my boat was being towed by a small dinghy like this and was not under power. So it was really scary, but thankfully nothing happened, nothing bad happened. Oh, here, and so relieved I was feeling from all the stress, nervousness, and anxiety after loading and bringing the boat to Marina that I've decided to take a walk. And I just came to this beach at Rebek Island just to relax a bit. A beautiful beach it is. So this is the point I just wanted to come. It's just a table there. Let's go there and see. Oh, this place is stunning. Wow. Just look at that place. I guess that's the limit of the resort. We'll check it out. Let's first check this place. Anyway, this place is really good. Wow. And that's the ferry boat coming with some new guests. Yeah. Hey, this is perfect place for honeymooners. Here, from here you see the horizon. There's the open sea out there. And those are some other islands, and then that side is the famous Pantai Chenna, the another ferry boat coming. Nice place, very nice, very nice. It's worth staying 1 or 2 nights if someone is coming for a week holiday. So 1 or 2 nights 2 nights probably would be best to stand at this resort, just for the view, for the peaceful environment and hospitality, hospitality, whatever. My English is Indian English, and that too, uh, my English is makeshift English, not proper one. So please excuse me for my bad pronunciation, bad choice of words, bad grammar, and the bad accent. Bear with me. And then we made a visit to Pantai Chennan, family visit. We did some jet ski, which I could not make any video of, but then we did a parasailing, myself and Betu in one go, and my wife and son in another, and it was really quite some fun. Whoever is visiting Langkawi, I would recommend that they should go for this. It's really good, and it's really a kind of an experience. Very nice, and we really enjoyed it. So, guys, we just end this episode here. Please be with us in the next episode when we show you a very colorful military air show, very extreme and lovely looking weather, working on height in the boat, and finally an evening out at Rebak Beach Bar at a Rebak Resort with my neighbor. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and take very good care of yourself. Thanks for joining. See you next time.